In today's complex financial landscape, the ability to manage personal finances and ensure stability has never been more crucial. Central to this financial management is the concept of budgeting. While often overlooked or considered tedious, understanding the fundamentals of budgeting is essential for financial success. This video will elucidate the importance of budgeting, provide a step-by-step guide on creating a personal budget, and share invaluable tips for maintaining it. Overview of why budgeting is essential. Budgeting, at its most basic, is about ensuring you do not spend more than you earn, but its significance goes beyond that. First and foremost, budgeting provides clarity. By having a clear overview of your finances, you can make informed decisions about your spending, investments, and savings. This clarity allows you to set and achieve both short-term and long-term financial goals. Furthermore, budgeting instills a sense of discipline. In a world driven by consumerism and impulse purchases, budgeting is the tool that prevents overspending and helps individuals prioritize their needs over wants. Additionally, a well-structured budget serves as a safety net, allowing individuals to prepare for unforeseen expenses and emergencies. Step-by-step guide on how to create a personal budget. Assess your income. Start by calculating your total monthly income. This includes not only your regular salary but also any side hustles, dividends, or other sources of income. List your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses remain constant, like rent or mortgage payments, while variable expenses like dining out or entertainment can fluctuate. Set financial goals. Are you saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or just aiming for a financial buffer? Setting clear goals will help you prioritize your spending. Allocate funds. Based on your goals, designate a certain amount for each category. Ensure that your expenses do not exceed your income. Monitor and adjust. Regularly track your spending. Apps or simple spreadsheets can be invaluable tools for this. If you notice that you consistently overspend in a category, adjust accordingly. Tips for sticking to your budget. Use technology. There are numerous budgeting apps available that can connect to your bank account, track your spending, and even send you alerts if you're close to exceeding your budget. Limit impulse purchases. Consider implementing the 24-hour rule. If you see something you want but don't need, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. Often, you'll find the urge dissipates. Regular reviews. At least once a month, sit down and go through your budget. This not only keeps you on track but also allows you to adjust for any life changes. Set aside a fun budget. Being too strict can lead to burnout. It's okay to treat yourself occasionally, but ensure it's within a predefined limit. Visualize your goals. Keeping a reminder of why you're budgeting, be it a picture of a dream home, a vacation spot, or even just a peaceful retirement, can serve as motivation to stick to your plan. In conclusion, budgeting is not just about frugality or pinching pennies. It's about taking control of your financial destiny, making informed decisions, and building a foundation for a prosperous future. By understanding its importance, creating a personalized budget, and sticking to it with diligence and discipline, one sets the stage for a life of financial stability and peace of mind.